Welcome to Template Stack 3-minute features videos. This video aims to demonstrate you the details about the Automapper feature, which is included in most of our templates. If you are watching this video, I assume that you are already familiarized with the process of downloading certain templates. If this structure is new to you, check the description to see another 3-minute video that describes it. Now, what does Automapper do? Basically, it saves you time mapping properties with same names and types by doing that automatically for you. Adding the Automapper NuGet package is super easy. Just find it and install it. This is why you are probably thinking, why is this even mentioned as a feature of the template? But there is more to it. We don't consider installing the NuGet package as a feature, but the follow-up configurations of the mappings, without which usually the project ends up with a couple of huge files describing mappings between classes. This is exactly what we're trying to prevent when adding those custom configurations. Firstly, let's see all the classes and interfaces that we have. We have Automapper config class and a couple of interfaces like IMapFrom and I have custom configurations. Let's see an example of a view model to demonstrate how neatly and clean is the implementation of the mapping. We just have to implement the IMapFrom interface with generic argument of the source class, and this will map us all the properties that have a similar names and types. In case that we have properties that are called differently, we use the I have custom configurations interface, which makes us implement a method called create mappings and point out manually which property have to be mapped to which. Generally, this is enough just for the use of the mappings, but let's check the implementation. All the magic comes from the Automapper config class and its method execute, which is called in our global CS file. But what happens in this method? Let's see. Firstly, we get all the types in the assembly. This includes classes, interfaces, and etc. Then we pass them to two methods. The world standard mappings method finds all classes that inherit from IMapFrom interface and creates a tuple between the current class and the generic argument type. Then just create mappings between them. By the way, if you are not using these configurations, you have to do these mappings manually for each classes. The world custom mappings method handles the I have custom configurations more complex mappings by selecting all the classes that implement this interface and through polymorphism select all the different types by their parent interface. Then just call its method create mappings with mapper.configurations as a parameter. That's all. For more information about the rest of the features, check out the other 3-minute feature videos.